Okay, so today we've got something different. Oreo mini ice cream bites. Let's get straight into it. Food warehouse, ice slam, whichever you want to call it. That smells absolutely banging! That smells absolutely dank. They're looking kind of cute still. See it in there. The hockey pucks. Bismillah. Sure. I was dreading Oreo outside with just the ice cream in the middle. They somehow kind of captured that interior of the Oreo flavor in the ice. Bismillah. Slaps. An 8.9 out of 10 for me. Fantastically good. Perfect. When it's hot outside as it is right now, they are going to melt. They are going to melt. So make sure you yam them as soon as you get them. Enjoy them properly. Like, follow, share, subscribe, depending where you're watching me from. Peace.